Hi everyone, welcome to Murari's Finance channel. So today topic is the types of mutual funds available in India, especially. So let's get into this video in detail. Before that, if not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Like, share, comment, and click on notification bell so that you will get the uploaded videos immediately without any further delay. And thank you watching for my video. And so let's get into this video. So first of all, different types of mutual funds available. So what are they, how they will work, and how we have to invest, so we will discuss later in this video. Let's get into this video first. So first one is equity mutual funds. So these mutual funds are related to capital gains, capital growth. So over the period you will get the high returns if you invested your money in equity mutual funds. So three types of funds available. So first one is large cap mutual fund. So invested in well established companies like Wipro, HCL, Infosys, branded companies. Like your money invested in medium size company. Third one is small cap funds. So it means your money targeted in small size companies. You will have high risk, but you will get the good returns over the period. So normally in large cap funds you will get around 14 to say 18% range for returns over the years. In mid cap you will get 20 to 24 or 26 range interest over the period if you keep your money in 3 years or 5 years or 10 years. Whereas in small cap funds you will get high returns around 45 to 55%, sometimes it is 70%, 80%, 90%. So example is last year SBI PSU fund 93% of returns in just 1 year. So you can assume how smaller funds will get more impact on returns, but you have to face high risk also. So these are all high risk funds. You have to bear. Small funds got affected if market fluctuation or any inflation happens. So you have to analyze your risk accordingly when you are investing your money in small cap funds. So to invest your money in any of these, how you will categorize which fund is good, which fund is bad, or which fund is not suitable. So you have to see your financial growth and your financial expectations for the future. Accordingly you can analyze. So as I mentioned in previous video, so always you can keep your money in large cap funds for your future goals, like after 10 years, after 15 years, after 20 years. If you want to save your money the high returns, you can keep your money less returns, but your money is safe over the period because you are keeping your money in well established branded companies. So it won't give any impact on these companies when market fluctuated or corrected. Mid cap funds, it means medium size funds. These also gives good returns like 20 to 28% or around 30% you will get the returns. But these are all medium size. If market corrected or fluctuated, so little bit risk will happen to these mutual funds. You have to be aware of these funds while investing in small cap funds. You always analyze when company established and how profits are getting 3 months once or yearly once. What is the size of company and where it was established, and what type of products they are manufacturing or they are producing to society. Accordingly you can select best small mutual funds. Remember that if you before investing in small mutual funds, always keep all risk consider, and you have to bear that risk. Even though if something happened to market, small mutual funds will get more effect compared to medium and large. So you have to be ready with high risk, but over the period you will get the good returns. So keep your mind and analyze your financial growth, financial expectations, and financial target. Then accordingly you can select which mutual fund is suitable for you. Thank you so much once again. I hope you find this video is useful for you. If not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. and click on notification bell so that you will get many more videos on financial education immediately. See you soon. Jai Hind.